this is how the Cuisiniere is going to come. Your warming oven does not come installed on the stove. So sitting on the top here, and you can see they're flipping it up, and they are going to go ahead and attach it to the rear of the stove. So really it's best if you can have two people here to stand it up and move it and do the actual attachment. All right, so you can see they're gonna go ahead and pick it up. They're lining it up. So you can see you just need to line up the warming oven in between the flue collar here. Your damper latch will come through the center hole. And then there are a handful of screws and washers that'll come with the unit. So make sure that you've attached those. And they go just directly on the inside of the warming oven, so you'll stick your hands through the holes in the rear to be able to attach those screws. Focus so you can see the screws in there. So on this side, he's coming through the front here. And on the other side, so on the right-hand side facing the front, you'll come through the front. On the left-hand side over the firebox, you'll come in the rear port on the back. You can see him sticking his hand through there. And then securing those into place. What comes here with the stove, you do get your manual, which is going to come with some of the hardware. So you will need to attach the front handles, which is what he's doing here. One of them came installed, the other one did not. So it just slides up in there and then you tighten the handle into place. Inside your inside your baking oven, your oven rack comes installed. You will just want to remove your plastic wrap here. Inside the firebox is where we're going to have the remaining items. Your fire brick will most likely come installed unless it's shifted during transit. For me, mine arrived perfectly installed. These items here are going to be your insulation blanket, and then as well as your weights that go inside the top. So directly above your air wash inside the firebox, you will line your insulation baffle, and then there are these two weights to hold your insulation into place. And you'll want to make sure that you install that as well before you go ahead and do your first fire. Directly below, we have our clean out drawers. So below the baking oven is your oven clean out. And then if you were to knock that out, any ash would fall out into this bottom drawer, which can then be removed. And then you do have your ash pan located here, which came installed inside the stove. So basically as far as assembling the stove goes, the main thing is going to be attaching your top warming oven, which is going to require two people to be able to set it onto the top of the stove here. This is the rock wool insulation. And we are going to be installing it directly inside here. So you can see it does need to fit directly above these air tubes. So you can see him sliding that in there. And then we have the two weighted plates here. And those just need to slide up above, so it's easiest to, yes, stick them through the hole on the top of the stove, and you can place a weight on each side to hold that blanket into place. Otherwise, you can see the firebox was nicely intact here. And that is going to be the installation of the rock wool and weight plate on the Cuisiniere. And you want to place those weights the rock wool all the way to the rear of the firebox. So as far back to the firebox as possible, and then you'll center your weights. So you can see that there. So here we have this oval plate. We get a ton of questions about what the heck this oval plate is, where it goes, how it attaches. So this plate actually is going to install on the rear base plate of your backsplash on your Cuisiniere, which the warming oven is attached to here. And we're gonna show you how both of these plates install into the rear. It does take these screws that are located right there that do come with the unit. So we're gonna swap you around the back, show you how it goes. All right, a few things to point out on this. Your plates are basically the same size as these holes. So you can see here, it's good to preset your screws before you put your plates in. So you can see how he put in these two bottom screws to get it started. And then we're sliding the plate in. And it'll kind of hold there. And we've got to add the third screw in. And then that third screw will hold it. And then we'll come in and tighten the bottom too. And then come in and finally tighten our top. And boom, that is how you install those rear plates on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and do it over here too. So we're gonna add in 2 screws on this side here. And then we're gonna come and put the plate in to hold those screw positions. And then he's gonna tighten that third screw in. Boom, and then come back and re-tighten these second 2. And then you do want to be sure to install these plates because this is what holds the hot air into your actual warming oven and keeps it hot in there. Okay? Boom, and that's how you do it. If you guys like these videos, don't forget, give us that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.